Hi student, today let us learn the life cycle of a frog. Frog is an aquatic oviparous animal. The animal which lay eggs and lives in water, that is known as aquatic oviparous animal. The frog perform the different stages of life underwater. Once they grow young, they jump on the land, isn't it? When they grow up. There are the four main stages in the life cycle of a frog. Let us study the first stage, the egg. You can see in the picture, the eggs look like a mass of jelly, isn't it, students? The frog lay eggs in a group on the surface of the water. The eggs floats on the water in ponds, lake and river. You know that a female frog can lay up to 4,000 eggs at a time. Okay, let us go to the next stage, tadpole. The larvae of frogs are called tadpoles. When this egg hatches, the larva emerges. They do not move, okay, during the starting stage of the larva for at least first 2 weeks, okay, after emerging and will spend their time eating and growing. They feed on alga and other weed plant in the water to give them energy. You can see in the picture the young tadpole look like a fish, isn't it? They also have gills to breathe underwater. Okay, let us start the third stage. As a tadpole grow further, they are called young frogs. The hind limbs emerges and they look like a small frog with a very long tail. They are also called froglets. A froglets have legs for hopping and walking. Now the young frogs develops lungs to breathe out of the water. This young froglets is then ready to jump out of the water to experience life on land. Now they are reaching to the adult stage as a adult frog. As the frog develops into an adult, it starts feeding on insects. The lungs are developed, preparing them to live on land. The tail is disappeared. Okay. Here is a complete frog, isn't it? The young frog. This is a complete life cycle of a frog. Yes, there are the four main stages we have studied: the egg, the tadpole, the young frog, and the adult frog. Yes, once the life cycle complete, the adult female frog can lay eggs and the life cycle of the frog can start all over again. Yes students, if you like this drawing and the explanation video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get more notification and share the video. Thank you.